Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a jar file from just any old code. So you need to go into your text editor like Notepad++, and you just write your code here. So I have some pre-made code. Now you're going to want to save it. We'll just save it to the desktop to make it easier. Save it as myprogram.java. You need to make sure it says .java at the end. So we'll save that on the desktop. There it is. You can exit out of this. Do that for all your classes as well, if you have multiple. So next, you're going to want to create a new text document right on your desktop and call it manifest. So that's a manifest.txt, and that is where you tell the compiler or the whatever makes the jar file. You tell it where your main class is, what it's called. So you say capital M-A-I-N dash C-L-A-S-S capital C colon, then you write your main class. So mine is my program. And then you press enter. From right here you press enter twice. And you should end up right here. Alright, from here just save it and exit. Alright, now if you don't know how to get to the command prompt, you type cmd right here, go up, cd for change directory, desktop, that's where we are, dir shows what's in the directory you're in, and you see we have our program.java and our manifest. So what we're going to want to do is compile the myprogram.java, and that's it right there. Alright, so just type javac program.java, press enter, and it should compile, and now we have the class Java file and the class and the manifest. So type dar, you see all that here. Alright, now we're going to actually make the jar file. Here's the command. Type jar cfm, then you choose a name for your jar file. It could be anything, but just for simplicity I'll just say my program again, .jar. Make sure it ends in .jar. And then you're going to want to show it your manifest so it can see what main class you have. So just write out your manifest.txt. And the last thing is you just include all of your classes. So myprogram.class. And you'd put any other ones there if you have more classes. So press enter, and you should have a jar file. As you can see, it just went on my desktop, and here is the actual jar file. Now, here is the shortcut, or the icon. So now you're pretty much done. Oh, one second. I gotta show you how to run it from here, because sometimes you'll have programs that just use system out print line, which requires this terminal to print. So we're gonna say Java jar, and then you write the name of your jar file, and that runs it. So here it is. And so you can run jar files from the command prompt. It's just as portable as the icon or whatever, you know. So that's what you do if you don't have a GUI program. So now we can also, if you have a GUI, you can double click on the jar file and it should run. Alright, and that's the tutorial. Just comment if you have any questions and I'll be glad to answer. Thanks.